Isang community leader sa Jasper ang kabilang sa proyektong Stories of Resilience, Voices from Jasper ng Resilience Institute. Siya ang natatanging Pinoy na bahagi ng proyekto. Pag-alala sa isang taong pagbangon mula nang magsimula ang wildfire na lumamon sa Jasper noong July 22, 2024. Ang mensahe na nais niyang iparating sa komunidad sa report ni Rhea Santos.
I think we need help, and we sat down, we cried because it was just draining.
May mga puntong araw na tumama ito sa Jasperite na si Clara Adriano. Aktibong tumulong sa komunidad nang matupok ang Jasper ng wildfire na tumama roon higit isang taon na ang nakararaan. Isa ang laundry business ni Adriano sa mga naabo.
Tayo mga Pilipino, we were raised with like, I grew up in Pampanga. There was the earthquake and lahar and typhoon and flooding. So parang we were born to be resilient at a very young age. Pero dito tayo sa Canada, we're like, oh, just do your job, don't complain and everything. Yes, I needed help, but I felt like there are more people who lost more than I did. Para sa akin kasi noon, I look back and may bahay kami, we didn't lose our home. Meron kaming uuwian, mga gamit ng mga anak ko. So we still had what mattered most for me and my family. And then, I see some of my fellow Jasperites who have lost everything in the fire.
Ang pagtulong ang naging paraan ni Adriano para makayanan ang sakunang tumama sa kanilang lugar. Lakas na tatak ng mga Pilipino, ang resiliency. Isa si Adriano sa 10 napili ng Resilience Institute para ibahagi ang kanyang kwento at mga natutunan sa proyektong Stories of Resilience, Voices from Jasper.
I wanted to focus on embracing the vulnerability part of being resilient and embracing that and taking the time to rest and heal. And if we need help, it's okay to ask for help. I realized that taking care of my own mental health and my own well-being is just as important as taking care of other people. I went to see a therapist here just to kind of cry as well and talk. Basically just talk, and without judgment. It took me a long time to kind of take that step because syempre sa Pilipinas, the stigma of seeing a therapist, it's very stigmatized back home.
Natanggap ni Adriano ang Mayor's Award for Distinguished Voluntary Service in the Community of Jasper noong Abril dahil sa pagtulong nito sa mga Jasperites at mga newcomers sa kanilang pagbangon. Biyernes, July 25, ilulunsad ang librong Stories of Resilience, Voices from Jasper sa Jasper Art Gallery. Magkakaroon ng display ng tula, artworks at mga akdang ibinahagi ng 10 Jasperite, mga kwento na salamin ng katatagan at para kay Adriano, pagpapakita ng pagiging tao lamang.
It's okay to be vulnerable. It's okay to rest. It's okay to take a break. For as long as you don't give up. I believe asking for help, instead of it being seen as weakness, we could see it as bravery and maturity.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.